Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this Ferrari F8 Tributo in for an exhaust upgrade. Before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, then you won't miss if any of our new videos go live. So an exhaust upgrade on this car, they sound okay as standard, but obviously we know there's always room for improvement on standard exhaust systems. So we're going to be installing a Brook Race exhaust system upgrade on this Ferrari F8 today. So we're going to be releasing some of that hidden exhaust tone and volume. And on this particular car, the customer doesn't want to have a big improvement in sort of like power and torque. So we're just going to be installing some ECU software which will delete the emissions light, which will be illuminated by upgrading the exhaust system on this car. So the customer is free to use the car without any check engine lights relating to the emissions, but has the standard power, because obviously these produce a tremendous amount of power as standard, and it's going to take quite a while to sort of get accustomed to the power. So before obviously we give the customer more power, just wants to get used to it as it is, and then later on can obviously improve the power output of this car significantly. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to record the standard exhaust sounds, get the car in the workshop, install the exhaust system, and compare the exhaust sounds to the standard one right at the end of the video, and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.